embrace the real. Surround yourself with power, elevate the deal. Yo, I've cut ties with snakes, let the vultures go. Kept my circle small, with people who grow. If they ain't adding value, they draining your soul. Energy vampires ain't part of the goal. Find your riders, the ones who stay through the dark nights and the brightest days. This ain't a game, it's a strategy for life. Surround yourself with power and sharpen your knife. Yo, listen up.